Introduction to System Manager. The System Manager window consists of three basic panes: the Navigation pane, the Details pane, and the Error List pane. Help files and video tutorials are provided with full search and content capabilities. Programming is basically error-proof, and anything that is entered incorrectly will be flagged, as it will not allow unusable or repeated configurations, such as using symbols where an alphanumeric character should be, or using the same number for a user and group. IP Office is secure. Permissions levels can be set for operators, managers, or administrators, and you can elect what features certain individuals can amend or create. The IP Office configuration is backed up on a PC and has a small footprint. In the event of a catastrophic failure, the configurations can quickly be uploaded remotely. This is an introduction to System Manager. System Management Tools. In System Manager, the last 16 actions performed on the system can be viewed by performing an audit. On the File menu, select Advanced. Select Audit Trail. The last 16 actions are displayed, showing the date and time they were performed, who performed them, what the outcome of the action was, and what items were changed by the action. To close the audit trail, click Cancel. With System Manager, you are able to open a configuration file while offline. To go offline, on the File menu, select Close Configuration. To open a file, on the File menu, select Offline. Select Open File. Select the file to open. Click Open. This is an overview of System Management Tools. Create users. To create a new user, in the Navigation pane, right-click User. Select New. In the Name field, enter the name that should be displayed in the system for this user. In the Full Name field, enter the full name of the user. In the Extension field, enter the extension for this user. From the Locale drop-down, select the appropriate location of this user. From the Priority drop-down, select the appropriate priority for this user. From the System Phone Rights drop-down, select the appropriate level for this user. From the Profile drop-down, select the appropriate user type. Select checkbox for each software to give the user access to. Under User Rights, select the appropriate rights for this user. Click OK. This is the process to create a new user. Create User Rights Template. Creating user rights templates enables groups of similar users to be quickly set up, ensuring consistency and access levels while saving valuable time. To create a new user rights template, in the Left IP Office's navigation pane, select User Rights. Right-click in the User Rights pane. Select New. In the name field, enter the appropriate name for the user rights template. To program the phone buttons, click the Button Programming tab. In the appropriate button row, right-click in the Action cell. To add an appearance button, to answer, share, and switch between calls, select Appearance. Select the appropriate appearance type. Click OK. To add an action button, in the appropriate button row, right-click in the Action cell. Select the appropriate action feature. Select the appropriate action type. Select the appropriate action. Select the appropriate action data as needed. Program the other buttons as necessary. To add users to this User Rights template, click the User Rights Membership tab. Of the members of this User Rights tab, select the checkboxes for the appropriate members. Click OK. This is the process to create a User Rights template. Manage Users. In the navigation pane, select User. From the User pane, select the appropriate user. On the User tab, basic user settings can be edited. Under User Rights, the rights of the user can be edited. To set up or edit the voicemail settings for this user, click the Voicemail tab. Edit the appropriate voicemail settings. To set up or edit the voice recording settings, click the Voice Recording tab. Select the appropriate voice recording settings. Click OK. This is the process to manage users. Manage Hunt Groups. In the navigation pane, select Hunt Group. From the Hunt Group pane, select the appropriate Hunt Group. On the Hunt Group tab, the name, ring mode, and members can be edited. To set up or edit the voicemail settings, click the Voicemail tab. To send new voicemails to an email access, in the Voicemail email field, enter the appropriate email. Select to copy, forward, or just send an alert of the new voicemail. To set up or edit a fallback service mode, click the Fallback tab. Select the appropriate fallback groups from the appropriate drop-downs. To change the current mode for the Hunt group, under Service Mode, select the appropriate mode. To set up or edit a queue for this hunt group, select the Queuing tab. Select the appropriate queuing options. To set up or edit the voice recording settings for this hunt group, click the Voice Recording tab. Select the appropriate voice recording options. To set up or edit announcements for this hunt group, click the Announcements tab. Select the appropriate announcement settings. This is the process to manage hunt groups. Create a hunt group. To demonstrate creating a new hunt group, in the navigation pane, right-click Hunt Group. Select New. In the name field, enter the appropriate name. In the extension field, enter the appropriate extension number for this group. From the Ring Mode drop-down, select the appropriate way for IP Office Manager to distribute incoming calls. From the Overflow Mode drop-down, select the appropriate overflow option. To change the hold music for this hunt group, from the Hold Music Source drop-down, select the appropriate option. To select what type of no-answer calls affect the agent status, from the Agent Status on No Answer Applies To drop-down, select the appropriate option. To add members to this hunt group, under User List, click Edit. From the Available Users List box, select the appropriate username to add. Click Append. Click OK. Click OK. This is the process to create a hunt group.